Hello, my name is Leah Engler, and I will be speaking to you today to inform you about the speciation of the greenish warbler. Speciation is the formation of new and distinct species in the course of evolution. It has come to our attention that there has been an evolution of western and eastern greenish warblers that has caused geographical variation in many different ways. There are two distinct species in Siberia that are apparently connected by gene flow. The greenish warbler species is called a circular overlap or ring species. It is a very rare type, meaning that there are not many other species like that. The genetic migration through Central Asia involved periods of geographic separation and hybridization. Now we're going to Virginia, who is in Siberia, to speak more on the physical evolution of the birds.
Thanks, Leah. Now, male greenish warblers are very active singers, using song both to attract females and to defend their territories. There is much geographical variation in both the song units and the rules by which units are assembled into songs. There are distinct differences between the songs in each region. A male greenish warbler will aggressively respond to songs that it recognizes as belonging to its own species, intending to chase down an intruding male out of its territory, but it usually will not respond to a song from a distantly related population. Females probably also use the song differences to distinguish among potential mates. There are also different plume patterns of the birds. There are the West Siberian greenish warblers, or the P.T. verandus, and the East Siberian greenish warblers, the P.T. plumisaurus. The verandus has a single wing bar, while the plumisaurus has two. Also, the northern forms are about 10% smaller in body size than the southern forms, and the northern forms inhabit much denser forests at lower elevation than the southern forms. The northern forms also must migrate much further into wintering grounds in southern Asia. Now, back to you, Leah.
Thanks, Virginia. So, why did they evolve to be like this? The greenish warblers were once confined to the southern portion of their range and then expanded northwards along two pathways, evolving differences as they moved north. When the two expanding fronts met in central Siberia, they were different enough that they didn't need to interbreed. Some may ask, are they still evolving? Gene flow is still possible between them over multiple generations through a chain of reproductively linked species around the ring. Thanks for tuning in today to talk about the greenish warblers and their speciation. See you next time!